My present discussion is the theory of Pitta in Ayurveda. Pitta is a byproduct of blood. Pitta performs all types of chemical and endocrinial functions of the body. It is Ushna, hot, Tikshna, sharp, Laghu, light. Anodisnagda, not very demulsion. A Shukla Varna, colorful except white. Brishna Gandha, raw meat smell. Katu, pungent, and amlarasa, sour or acidic in taste. According to Bhaprakash, Pitta is Ushna, hot, Drava, liquid, Pitta, yellow, Nila, blue, Sattva, primal quality, Sara, moving, Kotu, pungent, Laghu, light, Snigdha, demulcent, and Tikshna, sharp. Sama Pitta is blue color and Nirama Pitta is yellow color. There is 5 kinds of Pitta. These are Pachaka, Ranjaka, Sadhaka, Bhrajaka and Alochaka. Such functions and pathological manifestation of morbid pitta are as follows. Pachaka pitta, such Pakkamasya, lower portion of stomach and duodenum. Physiological performance, digestion of food, separation of wastage product, and stimulation of Agni or digestive enzymes. Pathological manifestation, rise of body temperature, anorexia, burning, indigestion, and distension. Number 2, Rajaka Pitta, size, liver, spleen, stomach, and heart. Physiological performances, coloration of rasa, formation of blood, and performing the work as desired. Pathological manifestation, anemia, dryness, and deconcentration. Number 3, Sadhaka Pitta, such brain, physiological performances, intelligence, memory, and effort. Pathological manifestations, loss of intelligence and loss of sleep. Alochaka Pitta, such as physiological performances to see the natural beauty, vision, eyesight. Pathological manifestation eye diseases, error vision. Number 5. Bhrajaka Pitta, such skin, physiological performances, body complexion, body heat regulation, absorptions of external drugs and oils, pathological manifestation, vitiligo, discoloration, loss of bad temperature and skin diseases. Discussion on Pitta. Harivangsha is a famous text on Indian religion, history and medicine. Discusses about Agni Tattva of Ayurveda. According to Harivangsha, functions of Agni are maintaining of digestion, metabolism, thermodynamics, production of blood, photosynthesis of rays, and evoking of mental faculty. Many Ayurvedic texts describe Pitta as Agni, following above functioning of Agni as mentioned in the Harivangsha. According to this group of scholars, Agni and Pitta is the same phenomenon without any difference. Sushruta says that combustion and digestion performed by Agni. He also says that this functioning perform internal Agni. As a result, he divided Agni into external and internal. Ayurvedic authors accepted internal Agni as Pitta. Charak describes nature of Pitta as warm, scratch, liquid, whitish red in color, fishy smell, pungent and sour. And he also mentions functioning of Pitta as visual, perplexity, digestion, metabolism, production of body heat, hunger, thirst, smoothness of the surface of the body, body glow, intellectual power, and merit. Any defect in quantity and quality of such Pitta produces some disorders, that these are called Pitta-rogas or diseases of catecholaminds. Charak describes 40 types of Pitta-rogas. Time of accumulation of Pitta. Scars or sharp attributes when joined with cold. The condition is called accumulation of Pitta. As a result, rainy season is a time of accumulation of Pitta as a ten-drop time. Time of aggravation of Pitta. When Pitta joins with hot, it becomes aggravated as a trend of time, Sharad or autumn, that is, September and October is a time of aggravation of Pitta, time of normalcy of Pitta, equilibrium of Pitta. It is equilibrium of Pitta in its own chart is a state of normal condition of Pitta. As a trend of time, Hemanta or later autumn, that is November and December, is a time of normal condition of Pitta. Pittaja Roga is of 40 types. Their names Osha, Prosa, Daha, Dabatu, Dhumaka, Amrodgara, Vidaha, Antardaha, Angchadaha, Vidara, Aptaka and Mangsha, Raktaspota, Raktavarna, Vishpota, Raktapitta, Rakta Mandala, Horita, Varnatta, Haridra Varnatta, Nalika, Kasha, Kamala, Mukha Tiktata, Mukha Durgandata, Krishna Dhikaya, Atripti, Mukhapaka, Brahma in genital organ, Brahma in the eyes, Jivadana means bleeding of fresh blood, Tamaha Pravesh, Horita and Haridra Varnartha of stool, urine and eyes. Causes of vitiation of Pitta. Intaking of pungent, sour means acidic and saline food. Hot food articles. Burning food articles. Those are sharp food articles. Abuse of wine, carved, mutton, jingly seeds, horsegram pulses, where mustard, fried food, shock and fear, anxiety, copulation, heart labor, warming up in the heat of fire and sun, autumn, summer, midnight and midday and retention of thirst and hunger are causes of vitiation of pitta. Pittahara drugs. I have listed in my books 46 Pittahara drugs and foods in my principles and practice of modern Ayurvedic medicine, Dravya Guna Samhita, from third to sixth volume, and many other books. You please consult my books. Among Pittahara drugs, Patolo means Palta is the best one. Etiology of hypertension. You mind this? Hypertension or high blood pressure is an etiological factor of vitiation of pitta or almost same for vitiations of blood pressure. Moreover, in taking up excessive liquid, demulcent, heavy food and drinks, warming up in the heat of fire, anger, warming up in the sun heat, labor, shock, indigestion, in taking up antagonistic foods, in taking up food before digestion of previous food, stay up far into the night, mental anxiety, weariness, panic, sex hunger, smoking and drinking of wine are also etiological factors for vitiation of blood pressure according to Ayurvedic system of medicine. According to up-to-date knowledge of medicine, genetic and familial history, socio-economic condition, social deprivation, dietary factors means obesity, high salt intaking, high alcohol and caffeine, hormonal factors, high renin, reduced nitric oxide. Line of treatment of hypertension. Madhur means sweet taste, drugs and foods. Vayu and Pitta elevative foods and drugs, conversation on a good or spiritual topic, good company, controlling of speech, controlling of mind, controlling of India's means sense organs and controlling of food, adequate rest, fasting, bow, sound, sleep, and cheerfulness are essential for treatment of high blood pressure or hypertension. Effective drugs for hypertension. I have given a list of effective drugs of hypertension in my books, which I have mentioned it before. Rosun or garlic is an ideal drug and food for controlling of hypertension. Line of treatment of Pitta rogas. Drugs of Madhura means sweet taste, Tikta means bitter taste, and Kashaya rasa means astringent taste, Shitala Drabya means cold drugs, Snigdha means dimension drugs, Virechana means purgative drugs, Pradeha, an unguent of paste of plant drugs. Parishaka means taking a bath by decoction of plant drugs, and Shirodhara, dropping on the head by medicated oil. Abhyanga means massage by medicated oil, and Avagahana means general bath are useful for management of Pitta rogas or catecholamine disorders. Favorable environment for the management of Pitta rogas. Residing into cottage of straw, uses of pleasant perfumes, fragrance of flowers, in taking of cold drinks, wearing of pearl necklace and gems like emerald, moonstone, and paste of chandana, Karpura and Ushira. Evening houses illuminated by moonlight, captivating songs and music, cheerful face, cold breeze, charming speech, inarticulate sound of baby, house with cold water spring, flower garden, taking with charming wife, decorated with ornaments and living on the bank of lake of blossom lotus are favorable environments for patients suffering from Pitta rogas.